Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's see how to make Iranian pola. It's a very easy dish and it's a complete dish, very yummy. So let's check out the ingredients. First we have to marinate our chicken. So here you can see I took half kg chicken and we have to marinate. For marination we are taking some chili powder, turmeric and salt. So we have to mix this. So let me show you how to mix. We have to mix the ingredients and after marination we have to keep this for around 30 minutes. And that is completely optional, so you can see. After 30 minutes we have to cook the chicken. So you can see I'm adding very little of oil. You can see only 1 tablespoon of oil I am taking here, and in this oil we have to cook our chicken. By the time, let me show you other ingredients for our batter and our masala. What all I took here. So for our masala, I took 1 onion, some capsicum, coriander leaf, curry leaf and some chili. For garnishing, I took capsicum and tomato. For our batter, I took 1 cup maida, 1 cup of milk, half cup of oil and 3 eggs. So let me show you how to make the batter first. For the batter, let's add 1 cup of maida, that is 250 ml. I took the measurement of 250 ml, and in that add half cup of oil in it. And after adding the oil, we have to add 1 cup of milk. So you can see I added 1 cup of milk, and we have to add 3 eggs here. You can also increase the count of egg if you want. So after adding the egg, we have to add some salt to taste. Here I added pink salt. You can also add normal salt. After adding the salt, add half spoon of pepper, and we have to grind this well. So you can see our batter is perfectly ready. So you can see the consistency is very perfect, and our chicken is cooked. You can see this, and we have to make small piece of the chicken. And in the same oil we have to cook our masala. For that, add some chopped chili and curry leaves. Mix it well. You can make your masala your own way. Here I am adding chili and curry leaf first. You can also add the onion, or you can add ginger garlic paste. And after that we have to add 1 cup of chopped onion. So you can see I added the onion and I am continuously stirring it. So you can see the onion is cooked. After that we have to add some chili powder, some salt to taste, and we have to mix this well. You can also add garam masala, but here I am not using garam masala. Even you can add chicken masala. So you can add according to your taste. After that, add some capsicum. Capsicum is also an optional thing. You can also add any vegetable, like you can add egg, or you can also add paneer, mushroom, anything you can add. After that, let's add chicken. So you can see I'm adding the chopped chicken, and after adding the chicken we have to stir this well and add the coriander leaves on top of it and mix it. As the chicken is already cooked, our masala is ready very fast, and the capsicum will be cooked very soon. So you can see the masala is ready and it's looking very delicious. So now let's check out the procedure for making our Iranian pola. So I will show you how to make the Iranian pola. For that we have to take a pan. You can see I took a pan. In that pan pour some oil. We are adding oil so that it won't get stick to the pan. So add some oil and make sure that you spread it the oil eventually. Yes, this is done. After this, now let's add the batter. Don't add the batter completely. Add half of the batter. So let me show you. Add half of the batter and let it cook for 2 minutes. Let it cook for 2 minutes. And after that, now let's add our masala here. So you can see I am adding my masala, which I prepared using 1 cup of onion, chili, capsicum and chicken. Yes. So here you can see the filling is ready. And after adding all the ingredient, now let's add the half of the batter which we kept aside. So you can see this. Add half of the batter which we kept aside. You can see this. Yes, it is almost done. And for garnishing, let's add capsicum on top of it. You can garnish using tomato, and if you don't want to garnish using tomato or capsicum, you can simply leave this and close the lid and let it cook for some time. Otherwise you can garnish this using some coriander leaves or some onion, or even you can use egg. So after the garnishing part is done, we have to close the lid and cook this for 15 minutes. And make sure that your flame is on low. Please check my description box for the ingredients list and measurement. Now it's ready. You can just check. Yes, it's ready. You can serve this. Let me show you by cutting it. So you can see our yummy Iranian pola is ready. You can see the texture, you can see the layers. Hope you like my video. Please make this dish and comment me in the comment box. And follow me, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.